Check out this beautiful play by my player. My goodness, don't do him that wrong. Oh my, I broke down the defense so well on this play. Beautiful. Don't do him like this, Nick. Ugh. Boom. I broke down the defense easy. They couldn't do nothing about it this time. There was no hope on this one. No hope. Boom, look how quick it was. It is a great play. Just broke down the defense. Went straight into the teeth of the defense and broke it. Huh. Yes, for real, it was beautiful. Rondo nor Ray Allen can hold me on this play. Boom. My dude is on fire in this game. Alright.